Asan ang rice?
Ayan, walang rice.
Sandok na ako ng rice, no?
Dito ilalagay. Yay! Let's eat! Diet kami, guys.
Kain ba talaga?
Kakain na tayo. Merry Christmas again.
Dami vlogger! Vlogger pa daw kainan! Vlogger pa daw kainan!
Tara na, kanina ka nagpaplanong kakain. Oh.
Ayan na.
Totoo na yan, guys. Oh.
Dumating yung ano din yung
Then we now go for cows.
Alcohol and non-alcohol. Diba? Happy New Year! Yay! Merry Christmas, Besh! How's my is ano? Palabok.
panalo, be.
Approve yung palabok ko.
Sarap!
O, yun. Complete ingredients yan. Oh. Eddie, Merry Christmas!
Say Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Papalitan ka sa spaghetti.
Supporting.
Ang ganyan, no?
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Merry Christmas!
Yeah! Hey, Merry Christmas, everyone! Diba?
You want one of the gold? You can have this.
You want some gold?
Gusto daw gold? Ask nanay. Thank you, nanay. Thank you po. Salamat.
Want some gold? Ano, no? Oh. Nanay, kain na, nanay!
So when is number 3 coming?
Yan.
Not so soon. Thank you.
Try mo yung aking special palabok, be.
Ayan na.
Thank you, it's very expensive.
She's on it.
You wait till they're both teenagers and you'll see expensive.
Really? I'll make them work.
Carlos is on a special diet.
Yeah. Oh, where's Carlos?
Oh, how about you, Jan?
Yan. Merry Christmas, everyone. Alin?
Look, you want some crown?
What
There's
do you
an-
get if you
One
cross a shark and a
You want some
snowman?
crown?
A shark and a what?
What do you get if you cross a shark and a snowman?
What?
Shark in a snowman, Glenn. Ano?
When you cross the shark and snowman.
Yeah.
Ano?
A frostbite.
Oh.
That's really good.
Sirit na lahat.
What do you get when you cross a kangaroo with sheep?
Kangaroo.
Okay,
Kangaroo
good.
with a sheep?
I know this one.
Ano daw?
I can't remember.
Ano be?
It's a woolly jumper.
Wally jumper.
Yeah.
Anong question mo?
What's the hardest part about being friends with a turtle?
What?
Good.
Anong question mo, nanay? Yung nasa ilalim yun yung sagot.
That's how much it costs.
Meeting the queen of England.
Ano daw?
I don't understand. Oh, I gotta do this.
Time, how would you address her?
Ano ka ba sagot yung binabasa mo, nanay? Question na. Ayan ang question.
Speaker?
No, this is just a magic trick one.
Oh, I have one.
Oh, basahin mo yung question.
Joke. What goes O?
Huwag mo sabihin ng answer, nandyan din yung answer. Oh.
And what did you get? I have a crown. One for everyone. Bar, puzzle game, even
they paid for the smoking before, and the club didn't even return the leftover food to them. You should have made them paying for all that food that they're allowed to cater for a crowd. They won't eat it all. You've got to be right to have the leftovers.
Yeah, exactly.
What do you want to say?
Para ano lang pinagsasabi niya.
Sino yung anak kay SCUBA. Dr. name's Cuba. Yeah.
Oh, hulaan nyo.
Sino mag-answer sa dalawa?
Kayong dalawa, mag-ano, kung sino.
What does the acronym SCUBA stands for? SCUBA. SCUBA.
Ang gift giving na! Ayan! May pag-gift giving! Wow! Wow! Yay! Thank you! Where's Mayo? Jando! Pupunta ba dito si Carlos, Be? Be?
No.
Pupunta si Carlos? Okay, Carlos.
Be, paabot na rin siya.
Oh, so there one. Yeah.